Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to update our drivers on Steam games. Okay, so in just a few steps. So let's get started. Okay. First is we need to open our Steam software, and after that guys, we need to log in our account using our email or password, and also using our two-factor authentications. Okay, so after that guys, it will take you to this Steam dashboard. As you can see, there are a lot of games here and options that there right here. And after that guys, seeing those things, you need to go to the top left corner and you'll see the Apple icon. So after seeing that icon guys, you need to click that one. Okay, so click that one guys, and you need to look for the system settings. Okay, click that one guys, and after that guys, it will take you to general settings, and it will show you okay okay so the updates guys. So all you need to do guys, if we have here the updates for beta, you can okay, like this guys, you can click this one, upgrade now. So after upgrading it guys, or installing that guys, you will be perfectly upgrade your drive on Steam games. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.